Utoto Oma.
Is it?
Utoto Oma.
Ntontogen.
I'm not Igbo. I
You are
speak.
not Igbo.
No.
You are from where?
Jamaica.
You are Jamaica.
Yeah.
So how you come here waiting at the talk? You send request.
Because I like the live? What's wrong with that?
Because you like what?
What's wrong with joining the live?
Which part of Jamaica are you from?
Sorry?
Which part of Jamaica are you from? Chileka Bagoko.
Saint Mary. What's wrong with you?
Nagrimna. Which part of Jamaica Kishinia?
Saint Mary. What's wrong with you?
I don't hear you.
Saint Mary.
Huh?
Saint Mary.
Mary.
Saint Mary.
Saint Mary.
Yes.
Jamaica Saint Mary.
Yeah. What? Go on.
Let me see who you are with there.
I'm not with anyone.
Let me see who is in that room.
I'm not with anyone. Look.
Okay. Are you here for interview?
Yes.
I drop that phone on the ground and stand up and go back.
Okay.
Hey, listen, I don't like that laughter. I don't like that laughter.
I want to wear something. Give me a sec.
Huh?
I want to wear something. Give me a sec.
Come, bring out your tongue and talk to me. Oh. Bring out your ear. Bring out this tongue and begin talk. Oh. I know they hear you. Oh. Ish, I don't want that laughter. This is where I will bring you down now. Are you aware that what I'm doing here will enter social media?
Yes.
Come on, remove that your hand from your waist. You don't know this is Igbo live stream. In our culture, we don't do that. Don't try it here. We have our own tradition and culture.
Sorry.
I don't want that laughter. If you want an Igbo man to marry you, you behave yourself and don't have you go to Igbo people's place. That is what we do here. Aya, go back. Go back. Where you don't get Bobina?
What's that?
You don't get in
What's that?
You don't get picking food for body.
Oh, not yet.
You don't get.
No.
You move your hand from that to your waist. Go back, go back. Yes, I don't want that laughter from you. Go back. Turn.
I don't get yash.
Come on, they look front. They look front. I said turn, look on that side. Look at. You don't say you don't get them. You carry yourself when you come. Look at. Yes, look front. Look front. Look front. Say as your Otele resemble speedboat. Come here, come here, come there, laugh like a person where chop suya. No say you don't get bomb, you come here. Come carry your phone, no. Say as your bomb resemble picking shoe. Come here, come there, laugh. I don't want that laughter from you again. Okay. Listen, hey, stand there, let me do your interview. Stand there, let me do your interview. Don't move an inch here.
Okay.
Like I tell you now, if you laugh here, I remove you. I don't play here. My English, I no good am for English. You dey hear me? Tell me your place for Jamaica.
Saint Mary.
We are for Saint Mary.
Friendship.
Huh?
Friendship.
We are for friendship.
Friendship?
Okay. You go university?
No.
Waiting happen.
Work?
Waiting happen. Hey, listen, I can tell you, if they do you, hey, no time. Hey,
Okay,
I can tell you,
answer.
don't make me make a face here. If they do
Go.
you surgery for tongue, come out to that in it, and the word from your mouth and talk to me.
Okay.
Remove your tongue. Come out with a normal English tongue and talk to me. Don't come here. You do in it. What? I don't want it. You don't born before?
Not yet.
You don't marry before?
Not yet. No.
Yeah, mama and papa there.
Yeah.
How old are you?
25.
This thing where they do people for family by family. You there your family.
What did you say?
Conversion there in a family.
What's that?
You're asking me what's that? Conversion. Oh, this is where you do people for family. They your family.
No.
For una family. Una get person when in Bola day 3 or 2.
No?
Yes, I don't want that laughter.
Okay. Okay, I'm sorry.
When I don't day like this for una family, they talk with their papa and mama. One of them come mess poo.
No.
You sabi mess?
No. No.
Yeah, breast, 2 of them, which one strong pass each other?
What's that?
Yeah, Bobby, which one strong pass each other?
Left.
Left one. Strong breast from Jamaica. You don't see mad person wear the piece before you carry eye, they look where in the piece, they look in Bola before.
No.
You don't carry fight, they fight with your fellow woman before for street. You come bite them. Open mouth, answer me.
No, sir.
You don't shit for your body before.
Yes, sir.
You shit for your body.
No.
You don't shit for your body before.
Yes, sir.
Oh, you don't shit. Body shitter. Waiting. Ish. I don't want that laughter.
Okay.
I don't want them here.
Okay, sir.
Waiting be the thing where make you the shit for your body.
Food.
Waiting make you shit for your body.
Food.
Huh?
Food.
You say?
Food.
Food.
Yeah.
Food make you shit for body.
Yeah, everyone.
Which one be everyone? Which one be everyone? Them you. Only you they shit for body. Say everyone. Everyone now who? Only you. That's it. Them you. If you laugh here, they move you. Only you they shit for body. Come here, everyone. Who be everyone here?
You don't do
I said them
body?
you. I don't want that laughter here. That thing here. Man, don't put Bola for your body before you come the piece.
No.
Dry nyash. You don't date 5 different men at the same time, they no know.
Who does that?
You don't carry my number before. You hold my number where you know like you can't save a Mungu 1, Mungu 2, Mungu 3.
No.
As Jamaica person, why you no go follow Jamaica man? You won't come here, make Igbo man marry you. Why?
As Igbo men are good.
You have seen them before.
Yeah.
Okay. I say Igbo power, Igbo power. Shout them here, oh yeah.
Igbo power.
Igbo power.
Yeah.
Ndị iberibe ekelekwela unu si unu dị good, unu gift kwenia. Unu gift kwenia ụmụ bingos nda. Asịkwana unu dị good, unu gift oya Chineke agba unu ọkọ. Onye bịara na praise unu. While ụmụ nwaanyị unu reject ka unu. Ndị kụrụ m nto, ndị eri. All those flower ka unu bịara nga abịa inye ya. Ndị eri.
Thank you.
Don't thank any of them. Don't thank them. Don't thank them.
Sir.
Don't thank them. That is our culture. When we have visitors, we welcome them.
Okay.
My bingos. That is our culture.
Okay, sir. I will adapt.
Don't come here. If they wear party. If they wear party.
Yeah.
Yeah, Papa, Mama, you get any of them? We don't get mental problem before.
No. Good brains.
What do you talk?
They have good brains?
Good brain.
Yeah.
I tell you, sir, I know they hear English. If you want to talk anything, you bring out a tongue.
Okay,
Don't
sir.
come make me angry here, because when you talk, I know hear small. I know hear all.
Okay, sir.
Like I know when you go use English, they talk to me anyhow. You don't do woman to woman before?
No.
You get those machines where women, they take touch themselves, then go come.
That's an abomination.
Okay, in your own tribe, it's abomination.
Yeah.
In Jamaica,
Yeah.
your country must be, your people must be good.
Yeah.
It's also, I love how you say it, so that some Igbo women that do learn it from white people and practice it, they think is proper, normal.
Yeah.
They call it fun. Nice. It's abomination for you to use something and touch yourself. That's love.
Yeah.
I love that. That's love. Thank you for saying that. Is there anything in your side that you people do before Igbo man decide, or anybody wants to get married to you? Is there anything somebody will do that is your culture is against? Your culture is against. If you go contrary to it, then the person will die or something will happen to the person in your own area.
No.
Is it a man who pay a bride price, or you people pay a man's bride price in your own area?
We don't do bride prices in Jamaica.
How do you marry?
You just fall in love and get married. That's it.
How?
Like, build a relationship with your man, and then sometime after get married. That's it.
I don't understand.
So,
You fall in, you love somebody now. The person no go pay, no go come see your papa and mama. Tell them say they won't marry you. You just follow the person, go in house, go they born. Now soon they marry.
they don't have to.
Huh?
It's not a must. You don't have to.
Okay, you don't have to tell your people.
No, but the right thing is to tell them. But you don't have to.
Okay. If Igbo man here now won't marry you, he go just come carry you for your place. Go. go in place, you begin born, then you go tell your people for phone, nothing again.
I said the right thing to do is to take the man to your family so everyone could get to know each other and then get married.
Okay, get married how? Get married, then go bury
Like
him for grand.
in a
Get
church,
married how?
like in a church, at the courthouse, on the beach, wherever.
Okay, for river too.
Yeah, it's not the river, even at your house.
Okay. It's not a must you come begin gather people back.
It's no. It can be just you, your husband, and a witness. Like 2 witnesses. That's it.
Okay, court marriage is what you people do.
Not really. It's just that it can be done, and most people prefer that. Less money so that you and your partner could go to another country to enjoy or something instead of
It's
having.
okay, it's okay. I know to hear all your sobre here. Don't they hear that?
Okay.
It's okay. When you meet the person, you explain yourself to the person.
Okay.
You don't carry your nakedness before show person for WhatsApp before.
Never.
If you meet a man where you love here now, and the man say make you show him your nakedness, you go do him.
No, that's wrong.
That's wrong, right?
Yeah.
You say you did. How old you did?
25.
25.
Yes.
You get sense like this.
Yeah. What do you mean?
Igbo kwunu na ya nwa 25 no Jamaica. Ka ọwụla onye no Germany kpọrọ unu na abọghị unu aja unu nwere ike taa teye na WhatsApp taa dị na baby 10,000 baby 30,000 na-echewe ike na asịrị Chineke gbachapụ unu ọkụ unu nụrụ ya onye ọbụla na America unu hụrụ ọ na America unu abọ ike your genotype.
I don't know.
Okay, now it's very important. Go to hospital, get your genotype, your blood group. Know these 2 things.
Okay.
So that you will not go and marry somebody whose blood is not good with your own. Do you hear?
Yes, sir.
Good. Please do it. It's very important. That's why you see a lot of people giving birth to children that are not supposed to. You understand? They bring in children and suffer those children. It's improper. You sabi kiss?
Yeah.
How do you keep your mouth when kissing?
What do you mean?
How do you keep your mouth? Get one word I mean. How do you keep your mouth when kissing a man?
Open.
Open it here. Let me see.
So. I'm sorry. How?
Hey, Obanje. Jamaika Obanje, listen. Hey, Jamaika Obanje, I don't play here. Okay. I don't play here.
Okay.
Jamaika Obanje, I don't play here. How many men you don't do something with before?
1.
Since when they born you, only 1 person?
Yeah.
You and that person still there now?
Yeah.
Okay. Since you still get person where you deal with as boyfriend, no need of this interview. No need of any man calling you or you meeting with a man. In our culture, we respect our relationship. We don't have somebody in our life and we still come to have another person again. It's wrong. It's heartbreak. It is a means of making that person to die premature. You are killing people indirectly. Killing is not when you carry knife. So we respect our own relationships. Do you understand? So if you have a man in your life, then you are coming for this interview, you have to abandon that man. Because any man you are meeting here will decide to marry you or not. So are you ready to leave the person, or you want to continue with your interview, or you want to leave the person because you want to stay with the person?
I want to stay with the person.
You want to stay with that person, or you want me to continue with the interview?
I want to stay with the person.
The person is from where?
Enugu.
Enugu.
Yeah.
Okay. You meet the person on social media, on TikTok?
Like in person.
In person?
Yes.
The person is in Jamaica?
No, he's in the States with me.
Okay. You are with the person right now?
Not like physically, no.
Okay, you people met on TikTok?
We met in person.
In person?
Yes.
So you are dating him already?
Yes.
Okay. What do you do for a living?
I work in a hotel.
Okay, please. Since you are with somebody who happens to be our brother, continue with the person. No need of the interview for you. But remember, I will post your video on my platform, okay?
Okay.
Okay, no need for the interview. So I will not ask you to call number.
Okay.
Congratulations.
Yes.
So thank you for coming.
Thank you for having me.